Every day, thousands of AI tools pop up. But let's be honest, most are either useless or locked behind paywalls. But what if I told you there are 5 insanely powerful AI tools that are not only 100% free, but can also level up your content creation instantly? From mind-blowing 3D visuals to AI-powered video editing, these tools will save you time, effort, and money. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Stick around till the end because the last tool on this list is something you've never seen before. Let's get started. The number 1 AI tool is Mesh AI. Speaking of meshes, number 1 AI, this website is crazy. I won't say much, just check it out for yourself. You'll find tons of 3D models for free. And that's not all. You can even generate a 3D model from just a simple text. Like I typed Iron Man with wings. And look, there's the 3D model of Iron Man ready to go. The best part? You can use it in any software you want. Runway AI. Number 2 is Runway AI. This site has more than 10 tools, but my favorite is image to video. You just upload your AI image, put the prompt in below, and after a bit of waiting, you'll see some pretty awesome results.
This is the greatest thing I have ever seen!
Amazing number 3. City AI now works just like the previous tool, but it does it with more precision and can convert 2D images into 3D. Here, I can upload an AI image, and you can convert your images into 3 things: 2D to 3D motion, 2D to 3D video, or 2D to 3D image. You'll find plenty of options for 3D motion, like vertical, horizontal, and circular animations. You can set it up however you want, and if you need your own animation, you can easily do that too. TextStudio.com. Number 4, TextStudio.com. As soon as you get to this website, you'll see over 1,000 text presets, and each one is better than the last. That's the best part. If I find this text appealing, I just click on it, and then I can edit its dimensions, like spacing and stuff. After that, in the Style section, I can add colors, gradients, or effects. You can customize everything here. Drop shadows, icons, and my favorite part is that you can add animations using their presets. And if you don't like any of the animations available, you can create your own too, and it's all free. Number 5, Pixcap.com is where it's at right now. If you want your content to stand out, it's super important to use trending stuff, and this website has plenty of it. You'll find all sorts of things here, like the latest 3D icons, animations, mockups, and 2D interfaces. For example, if I like this 3D icon, I just click on it, and you'll see options for what kind of texture you want on it. You can choose the texture based on your video's theme, and if you click on Discover More, you can edit in 3D dimensions right here. And that's it! 5 free AI tools that can completely transform your content creation. Which tool blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments. But wait, before you go, do you want to know how to create AI videos with a single prompt? Click on this video right here, and I'll show you how. See you there!